The Pure Breeze HEPA Air Purifier by Vaniman, a trusted U.S. manufacturer with over 30 years of air filtration experience. The Pure Breeze captures particles and dangerous aerosols, including viruses, allergens, and chemical odors. It's easily moved and can be plugged into a standard power outlet. It features 3 adjustable speeds for different air exchange rates and a dynamic 4-stage HEPA filtration system. It's quiet and can be used with minimal distraction to patients and staff.
I'm definitely going to need some tacos. The carne asada tacos for sure. Maybe even some.
During operation, clean, filtrated air is delivered from the top at a rate of 550 CFM, forcing airborne contaminants down toward the intake vent below. This creates a fast and efficient air exchange environment. If left in a standard operatory room, the Pure Breeze will achieve an astounding 37.5 air changes per hour, resulting in a settle time of only 7 minutes for 99% removal efficiency. This maximizes downtime between patients and offers protection and reassurance to staff. The Pure Breeze HEPA Air Purifier by Vaniman. Reach out to your equipment dealer or contact us at www.vaniman.com for more information.